Waterfalls are, I probably said this already, but I love waterfalls. So we're gonna go do this hike. And I think my hamstring will be okay. It's come along a long way between getting in and out of the hot spring pools and that wonderful massage that I had by Francine, which I'm going to get another one of those tomorrow. Our time here is almost over, and I'm like,
The thing is that they allowed him to open this trail is because the walls are not soil.
nah, it's just rock.
Rock.
Yeah.
Pure rock. Better than concrete.
Yeah.
So they're very stable. See how deep it is?
So y'all, this is private property, okay? This is private property. You said it's been open for 5 years, and that the owner made this path by hand. He laid this down. Whoosh. This is what I just said to Frank. I said, oh, we're not walking over that, are we? He said, yes, it's very safe. I'm like, oh no. Oh, Jackie is very worried about walking over that.
Name it a bride bell because it looks like a real. To see the bell, you have to walk in the bridge. To see the bell.
I don't care. I don't want to go. No.
Yeah, she's
I'm okay. I'll get over it.
Yeah, but
Okay, y'all. I have to holler at y'all when I get to the other side.
we'll see. Do you think Jackie's going to make it? Let me see. Let me see. Yeah, she will. I'm sure.
But how's she gonna make it? That's the
How
question.
she's going to make it? I don't know. We'll tell you later.
Yeah, we'll tell you later. Oh boy, look at that though. Isn't that fabulous? Whoosh. Okay, wish me luck. Goodbye. Okay, so I'm halfway in the bridge. Oh my gosh, that is extraordinary. Wow. Wow, y'all. I came from that part.
It's called the Angel Bell.
The angel. Oh.
This is why they call it Angel Bell because it looks like a bell bride bell.
Bride's veil.
Right.
You know, and he's got me standing here in the middle. He knows I don't want to be on this bridge. He made me stop here so I can see it.
Look to the side, you can see more how the water jumps.
Yeah, Frank, I know.
Look who's coming.
No, wait, we don't go to the other side?
Yeah, we have to go.
Why are you coming here? Go away! Stop! They're shaking the bridge. Would you stop it?
No, we're not shaking it. We're not shaking it.
Yes, he was shaking the bridge.
I was, but no now.
You know that's what happens when you hang out with boys. There's no girls on this trip. Just me.
Pura vida.
Pura vida, let's go. Vámonos.
Vamos adelante.
Arriba, arriba. Oy,
You saw a bird.
he saw a bird. Can we see it on the other side, y'all? Oh, jeez, oh, Lord, I can't believe I'm doing this. And then he wants to keep showing me things. I want to just get off the bridge. He's showing me viewpoints. It's stunning, y'all. It's really, really stunning. But can we talk about it on the other side, please? Can we talk about it on the other side? Thank you. Ay, ay, ay. Frank! That's the problem with boys. They like to play. You're not trying to play. You're trying to get across the bridge you didn't want to walk across. And they just want to play. I did it!
Back to Earth. We're back to Earth after we pass the bridge.
I did it! But we have to go back that way.
No.
No, we don't go back that way. Oh,
Different way.
oh good. It's probably worse. Okay, you guys, I survived. I'm going.
See? You're gonna make it. You did it. How? Well, it's here, but you did it.
We're at the bottom of the mountain. And we have to go back up. But look at that. Spectacular. Spectacular. Spectacular with a capital spectacular. Just really plenty awesome. You know, and Frank, because he does this tour regularly, he just walks over the rocks like it ain't nothing. And Trust me when I tell you, it is something. But so is the view. Oh, look at this leaf. But wow. This is like what you see on television,
Yeah.
you know? You know, you walk like the way we walked and down all of that, those rocks, and because it's the rainy season, it's very slippery. But you get down here and you know that that's worth it. Okay. But yeah, this is definitely low tide because all of this would be covered with water. Oops. I think I need to put this away and pay attention to what it is that I am doing. So on that note, I'm going to give you one more view. Woo! So I almost fall backwards.
Okay, because the rain.
Honey, you gonna go over there? Are you gonna go over there?
Oh, look, the kid. I encouraged him to go.
Oh, and he did it.
Yeah, he feels like when you're in there, the wind blows so fast that you feel like you're on the top of the world.
Wow.
This is like insane.
There's another waterfall hiding in there. There's the wood. Okay,
Alright, so once again Frank has gotten me to walk across a bridge that I can see through. And they had the nerve to get on here and start shaking. But anyway, man, oh man, oh man. Okay, I'm gonna walk. Oh, wait, let me just show y'all this. And then I'm gonna show y'all this. Push. Ooh, baby. Oh! He was just drinking some water. He says, good to drink.
tasty water.
Sly's gonna have some. Ah, nice. But it looks pristine. It really does.
Very tasty water.
Okay, they're saying very tasty. That means I gotta go try.
Okay. We are in the viewpoint here. Yeah, this trail is a challenge, but beautiful.
This is beautiful. Oh, yeah.
Excuse me.
My
We were
goodness.
just informed by Frank. Y'all
Yes.
know who Frank is.
See, this is me, Frank.
That's Frank.
He told us that they were fishing while we were walking down, and we are now going to have fresh caught fish. Trucha.
Trucha.
Trout. We're about to have that right out of the